Hey friends, welcome back to another Study With Me vlog. This is Syed Wazir Rahman and I'm currently an MBBS intern from ESIC Medical College, Bangalore. And right now it's around 12 a.m. I know, you have been watching me for a while. You already know this pattern. Somehow I always end up starting late. But here's something I keep reminding myself. Success doesn't ask what time you started, it asks whether you showed up or not. Because Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another study with my session. तो guys already 12 बज चुके हैं. As you guys know, I always show up late. तो आज भी लेट हो गया. बट कोई नहीं. आज मैंने ऐसा कोई गोल्स या टाइम सेट नहीं किया. लेट्स सी हाउ मच आई कैन. जितना भी हो पाए नो हेक्टिक इंटर्नशिप में. इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू शो अप. अभी शायद इन अनदर 1 वीक मेरी इंटर्नशिप खत्म हो जाएगी. बाद में वी कैन इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ स्टडी आवर्स to maybe 6, 7, 8. It should not be exhausting. But yes, definitely not like this कि 1-2 घंटे पढ़ रहा हूँ daily. It's bad. कोई नहीं, let's get started. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, and build this productive hustle wala community. No matter what, to show up is important. Let's get started today. All right, for the session one, I'm starting with restrictive lung diseases. And honestly, pulmonology has been eating my head for quite a long time. I don't even know why, because technically it's not even a huge topic, but somehow it feels never ending. Every time I think I'm almost done, there's always one more thing waiting. But at the same time, I have to admit, studying lungs is actually interesting. Alright, so I'm done with one study session. So here's the truth. देखते हैं कि हमने कितने पेज कंप्लीट किए. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is relatively a new topic. पहली बार पढ़ रहा हूँ during my MBBS days also. मैंने इस टॉपिक पे इतना फोकस नहीं किया, इसलिए थोड़ा बहुत टाइम लग रहा है. बट 25 मिनट में 4 pages is decent. So yeah, let's go to next session. So as I'm studying restrictive lung diseases, I'm also using Feynman technique, basically forcing myself to retrieve information and explain it in simple words. Because I've realized something. If you can explain a topic clearly, you probably understand it. If you can't, you probably need one more session. So let's see if my lungs survive studying lungs. Alright, so one more session done. So here's the moment of truth कि हमने कितने पेज पढ़े इस सेशन में. 1, 2, 3, 4. So हमने लगभग शायद 4 पेज पढ़े. But along with that, we have done a Q bank for the previous chapter, जो कि मतलब restrictive lung disease है. Let us see हमने कितने score किए इसमें. So here you go. So we have 25 correct, 5 wrongs, 10 streaks, and 30 attempted. I don't know why light ऐसे focus कर रहा है. I'll do like this. So yeah. तो इतने correct आए हमारे, which I believe is decent. 5 wrong है out of 30, which is not decent. I should focus on improving it. But कोई बात नहीं. So one chapter done with one Q bank of 30 questions. अभी दूसरा chapter का एक पेज हुआ है. In next session we'll try to complete that as well. So yeah, let's go. MCQs are actually where the real learning happens, because they don't just test memory, they expose you to all those tiny gaps hiding in your understanding. Sometimes you get it right and feel like a genius, and sometimes an option you were 100% sure ends up being wrong, and suddenly you're questioning your entire existence. But that's the point. Every wrong answer now is one less mistake in the actual exam. सो ऑल राइट बॉयज, तो अभी एक और सेशन ख़त्म हो चुका है. एक्चुअली सेशन नहीं ख़त्म हुआ, देयर इज स्टिल 1 मिनट लेफ्ट. तो सेशन नहीं ख़त्म हुआ, देयर इज स्टिल 1 मिनट लेफ्ट. बट मेरा चैप्टर ख़त्म हो चुका है. आई एम डन विद पल्मोलॉजी फाइनली. इट वाज सो ड्रेनिंग. 3-4 दिन इसी पे लगा हुआ था. आई एम ग्लैड दैट इज़ डन. एंड इज़ द ट्रूथ कि हमने कितना पढ़ा है. लेट अस सी. 1, 2, 3, 4. तो लगभग 4 पेज हमने पढ़े हैं. actually 4 पेज complete किए plus we have solved the MCQs. So here's how much I scored. तो 16 correct हैं, 16 correct, 2 wrong, 10 best tricks and 18 attempted. तो बेसिकली बस 2 रॉन्ग है एंड ओवरऑल इट वाज क्वाइट अ नाइस सेशन. अभी बज चुके हैं करीब करीब 2. व्हाट इज द टाइम? इट्स 2:25 AM. So I'm almost sleepy done. But yeah. Okay, if you've made up till here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And comment down something that's motivating. And I'll see you soon tomorrow. And also comment down what topics you are doing currently. Whichever exam you're preparing for, doesn't matter. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.